New details for you tonight. The Kankakee County State's Attorney filed a lawsuit today claiming the SAFE-T Act is unconstitutional. The Democrat is arguing cash bail cannot be eliminated in the state without a statewide vote. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Cole Hankey joins us live from our Capitol newsroom tonight. And Cole, this state's attorney is one of many who have an issue with the new law.
That's right. The Kankakee State's Attorney, Jim Rowe, claims that cash bail cannot be eliminated without a constitutional amendment. It's another argument against the state's criminal justice reform law. Republicans also continued their attacks on the bill, labeling certain crimes as, quote, non-detainable offenses, despite the law never establishing any crimes as non-detainable. A judge under the SAFE-T Act can require someone to be detained before trial for any felony if prosecutors can prove one of three things. But you either have to be judged as a significant threat to the safety of the community, a flight risk, or you have to have violated conditions of a previous release.
Public safety is our greatest responsibility in the state of Illinois. Governor Pritzker and the Democrats have abandoned that.
This law does not enumerate any non-detainable offenses. It does not create non-detainable offenses. What he's doing is finding the most egregious way to read this law in order to strum up fear.
Now, Republicans point to one section of the bill in particular that says a judge can deny pretrial release if the person is charged with a forcible felony, but only if the felony is not probation eligible. The crimes listed on those social media posts you're seeing with non-detainable offenses are all probation eligible. Now, cash bail does not get eliminated until January 1st, and lawmakers are scheduled to return in November to the Capitol. Governor Pritzker and several of the bill's sponsors have said that there are changes that can be made to this law, but did not go into detail on exactly what they would change. Reporting in Springfield, I'm Cole Hankey, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, Cole, thanks so much.